In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bambu Lab. First, you'll want to open a web browser on your computer. This is the gateway to accessing everything you need for downloading Bambu Lab software. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any major browser will work. Just click on the icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, you will see the address bar at the top. This is where you will enter the URL. It is crucial to use a reliable web browser to ensure that the download process is smooth and secure. Next, go to the official Bambu Lab Bambu Studio download page. To do this, type in the web address carefully. You want to make sure you reach the right page to avoid any issues with unofficial downloads. After entering the URL, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the download section where you can find the software you need. This step matters because downloading from the official site ensures that you receive the latest version and security updates. Now, you will see options for different operating systems. Select your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows option. If you are on a Mac, choose Mac OS. It is essential to select the correct operating system to download the compatible installer. Choosing the right version here will save you time and trouble during the installation process. Once you have selected your operating system, download the installer. You should see a download button that will start the process. Click on it and the file will begin to download. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the download is complete, it is important to ensure you have the installer ready for the next steps. Now, open the downloaded file. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder, unless you specified a different location. Double-click on the file to run it. This action will launch the installation wizard. It is essential to follow this step correctly, as it prepares your system to install Bambu Studio. Doing this ensures that the installation process can proceed without any hiccups. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Bambu Studio. The installation wizard will guide you through the required steps. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose your installation preferences. This part of the process is straightforward, but it is important to pay attention to what is being asked. Completing this step carefully will make sure the software is set up correctly on your system. After the installation is complete, launch Bambu Studio. You can find it in your Applications menu or on your desktop depending on your operating system. Click on the Bambu Studio icon to open it up. This is where all the magic happens, as you will be able to manage your 3D prints directly from here. Launching the software is an exciting moment, as it signifies you are ready to start creating. Finally, sign in with your Bambu Lab account if you have one. This step is optional but recommended. Connecting your printer, if you have one, can enhance your experience. It allows you to send prints directly to your device. This is a convenient feature that streamlines your workflow. Remember, creating an account is free and offers access to helpful resources and updates. In conclusion, you now know how to download Bambu Lab software. Following these steps will ensure a smooth installation process. You are now ready to explore the world of 3D printing with Bambu Studio. Enjoy your printing journey.